Hi friends, in this video let us solve a Z transform related question asked in GATE 2020 C paper. The question is, if x of n is equal to 1 by 3 power mod n minus 1 by 2 power n un, then ROC of its Z transform in the Z plane will be. So we have, we have to find the ROC of this x of n. So you see it is in the form of A mod n u of n. For A mod n u of n, the Z transform is given by A squared minus 1 divided by A Z by Z minus A Z minus 1 by A, right, with ROC 1 by A mod less than Z less than A. Okay, so for our problem we are given 1 by 3 power mod n u of n. So for this ROC is given by, instead of A I have 1 by 3. So okay, sorry, this is not A. So it is A 1 by mod A. So here A is 1 by 3. So ROC is 1 by 3 mod Z 3. Okay. Next part is 1 by 2 power n u of n. We know for A n u of n, the transform is Z by Z minus A, where the mod Z is greater than A. So 1 by 2 power n u of n, the transform is Z by Z minus 1 by 2, mod Z is greater than 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. So what is the common ROC? Here ROC starts from 1 by 3 to 3, and here ROC is greater than 1 by 2. So for first one, ROC is ring. Okay, let me draw properly. This is, let us assume, 1 by 3, this point 3. Where 1 by 2 will come? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be somewhere here. 1 by 3 is 0.3, 1 by 2 is 0.5, so it is 1 by 2. It is greater than 1 by 2. Second one. So greater than 1 by 2 means this region out of. So where is the common ROC? Common ROC is greater than 1 by 2 less than 3. So 1 by 2 to less than 3. Now if we go and see where is the answer, 1 by 2 to less than 3. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.